Hi, hello, I'm Fabian from Centria University of Applied Science, and today I will show you an introduction to a research project that is based on seasonal thermal energy storage, and it's part of a greener research project. And the whole principle is about storing waste heat in the ground. And what you can see right now are the compressors that are used by Finspring for the production of pressurized air. This pressurized air is needed for the extrusion of plastic bottles that Finspring is then filling the water inside, which is the product that they sell. This pressurized air is generated by compressors, and these compressors, well, they use electricity, they produce pressurized air and waste heat. This waste heat has caused a lot of problems before this project was established because it overheated the factory in the summertime and it created a very uncomfortable environment for the workers. After the project was established, the waste heat was collected and transferred to the energy storage, which was then storing the heat in the ground. Thus, it was solved in the summertime, and at the same time now the heat is used in the winter time as well and solved all the problems. The seasonal energy storage, consisting of a so-called BTES, which means a borehole thermal energy storage, is located right under me. You can't see it because it's covered. What we did is we drilled 62 boreholes in the ground, put in some pipes and covered it later with soil so it can be used for farming. And during the summertime, there is heat going through these pipes into the ground. We heat up the soil, and in that way the energy is stored. Now in the winter time, when there is demand of heating, we take out the energy from the soil, pump it through these pipes into this building here that you can see, and transfer it to the building for heating. Also part of this project was a test of solar collectors, not PV but those that produce hot water. On this side you can see a regular commercial solar collector that can be bought on the market. It's a flat one. And on this side you can see a new developed product by Helios Storage, a local company from Kokkola that has developed a solar collector that is a roof at the same time. It's a new developed product that here has actually shown that it's working almost equally good to the commercial one, but the benefit is that it's a roof at the same time. And yeah, this was part of the publicly funded project, which is very nice. Time for a short conclusion. So this pilot here, what is the benefit and what is the drawback? And what was the outcome of this project? The benefit is that this is the first time in Finland that a seasonal thermal energy storage has been tested, and it's working. That's very good. So we can say this has been a very successful project and pilot in that way because we have been able to utilize waste heat, store it in a ground and been able to extract it for using. Very successful in that way. Drawback is only that the costs compared to a regular heating system are high, and that's because it's a new technology. A lot of research was done at the same time, but it has shown that this is a commercial viable option for regular heating systems as well in the future if there is waste heat available. So overall, I would say, yeah, it's a new technology that has been evolved and hopefully will be successful in the future. Thanks.